Si St. Peter nag-deny kay Jesus 3 times.
Okay, careful.
Ayan daw. Ayan daw. Dinina niya kaya nagkuha ng... Ang kuhan ang tumilaok ang manok.
Oo, diyan?
Oo. Yung daw, diyan niya. Diyan niya pinagkalulo at diyan nagbayad. Yung kuhan ng 30 shekels si Judas.
Ako nang sama sa kanya para makapag-video kayo na maayos. Ako, kay Father Nox po. Dito po.
Ayan yung grupo ng Catholic Travel na taga Samar. Sila kanina pa. Ang sabi ni May, kahapon pa raw sila dito. Eh, may humahanap sa kanila 3 oras na siyang nandun sa Wailing Wall.
Hindi mahala pa. Wait lang.
Mami, wait. Nagagalit si Mama, iiwan daw siya. Muntik niya na akong iwan, ha? St. Peter in Gallicantu. O yan, sinasabi nga ni Mama. Dito, dininay ni St. Peter 3 times si Jesus. Because it's your birthday, let me take a picture of you. No? Si Father Nox na lang ang taga-kwento. Because we're Filipinos, we love taking pictures. I'll stay on this side. Kasi nandito yung shade, kaya nandito ako sa side na to. Saan? Kinulong daw. Sinong kinulong? Saan? Habang naghihintay, baka dyan sa baba. Ayun yung mga libingan. Yung puting-puti.
Oh, apple ba yan? Ay, hindi.
Pomegranate. May bunga. Huhulog ka dyan. Malamig, mahangin. Para sa mga kapatid na hindi pa nagte-travel, ito yan, ang convention, Assumptionist Fathers, o char. Wala ko katabi, ako na lang naiwan. Mababa pa pala. Thank you para sa hat na ito. Nakatulong siya. There goes our model again. I am the last.
You are the best.
Belvedere panoramic view. Ito yung church. Bilis ng nanay ko. Buti pa yung nanay ko. Alright, travel to the Holy Land. Ay, may mosque din sila doon. And another. The Greek Orthodox. Anong bahala? Google nyo na lang. Ayan. Oh, how much is your Hanukkah?
This is $7, $4.
Oh,
I give you 3 for 10.
okay. Kaya lang, hindi naman ako Jewish. This is a Catholic?
Yeah,
Or
all
Greek
Catholic.
or all Catholic? Ay, sorry. Ay, nasa ba English? Nagpunta tayo dito para sa CR?
Hindi po. Nagsi alam muna.
Ah, okay. Ano, mama? Ang bilis mo ah. Ano yan? Ano ta?
Ni St. Peter si Jesus.
Pupunta tayo dyan.
Opo, papasok tayo.
Yan, at saka dyan siya
Nag-deny 3 times. Dito rin hinuli
Sige,
si
mami,
Jesus.
una tayo dito para
Halika na.
Diba?
Let's do it.
At saka ito yung pana. Ito yung pana.
Opo, opo.
Okay, mami, go.
May steps ha.
Dahan-dahan, mami. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan, mami.
Dahan-dahan lang, huwag magbilis ako.
Kalma lang, kalma lang. Kayang-kaya.
Sanay. Ito ang pagkataas sa bahay niyo. Wala ba lang elevator para sa inyo? Wala ba lang ginawang last step?
I closed the door because the door talks about the story what happened here. This is Caiaphas' house. It's the house of the high priest where they brought Jesus and imprisoned him.
I'm here.
And we go by the elevation for the church. And if you look here, this also we call it the denial of Peter to Jesus. That's why we call it St. Peter in Galilee. You see Jesus pointing his hand on Peter. He's telling him, you will deny me 3 times. And Peter, he did not expect that he would do that, of course, because he's the one who loved Jesus more. So that's why he denied, because there's a woman, a servant, and a soldier. They came to Peter, they said, you were with him. And he said, no, I do not know this man. That's why we have the rooster here, which we call it the cockcrow. That's why we call it St. Peter in Galiganto. Galiganto because of
Galiganto.
the rooster. That's why we see on the top of the church, the head of the top of the church, you will see a rooster standing up there. That's why they call it Galiganto. Now the church has several innovations. We're going to go one by one to see the prisoner or the prison where they kept the prisoners and how they used to torture them until we reach one place we call it the dungeon. Dungeon is the last place where they keep the prisoners there. Here. Step by step.
Mama, dahan-dahan ka lang. Akala mo naman may nakikita naka-shades ka. Maalisin mo yung shades mo. Salamat po. Hala. Aakyatin ulit ito papalik.
It talks about what happened here, that Peter, after the denial of Jesus, he was running bitterly and crying bitterly because of he denied Jesus. What we're looking at is the dungeon. Dungeon, it means it's a water system. They used it to keep the prisoners inside it. And you can see here the picture of Jesus. You can see it on both sides, inside and outside, how they tie the prisoner and they lower him from top of the dungeon here. It's the only entrance and exit. So imagine there was a lot of people that have been bones, wounded, bleeding. Some of them are dead. Imagine we're talking about not one person or two, but they put 10, 15 on top of each other. When they want that prisoner, they will ask him to tie himself. He would be exhausted. When they pull him, he would fall all that distance, about 6 meters deep. And imagine those rocks like behind you there, it's really gonna hurt them and break their back or they will die. So this is the first level of the church. Now you see here Peter is really praying. Petros, Cleves, Amari. It means Peter is crying bitterly because of that. And here you see
Peter is crying bitterly.
You see the rooster when he denied Jesus, the cock crow. And here just to show us how Peter, the relation between Peter and Jesus, that they were in a good relation. They loved each other so much, especially Jesus. That's why it takes us to Tiberias, see the fish and dogs when they multiply them. And we visited the
Already took a video.
Now, we're going to go to the second level of the church. All these stones, rocks are really original.
Which one?
Those behind.
This is the original. These stones.
Now they built up this church on top of the
Ito mga bato na to ay original. Ayan na, may bato. Ayan, yan pinantutok-tok mo. Ayan, pwede mo hawakan. Halika, papahawak ko sa'yo yung stones ito. Ayan. Ayan. Kaliwa ka. Ay, kanan. Ayan yung original. Puting-puti, ano, mga panahon yan. Ito yung naantitigas. Pwede ka naman mag-bless. Halika naman. Discarding of the pillar. Discarding of the pillar dito sa bahay ni Katrina. Oh my God.
can cause later on with the timing that it pass hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It means it will help the body to die slowly. How? Because the oxygen doesn't go up to the brain. You lift up your hand and you feel numb. No more, the blood doesn't go and run in the body as the circulation of the blood. So it will cause fainting. Those prisoners that stayed here and those in the back, like seats, they sit down, they wait for their trial. Also, they are tied up with the rope. Now, Jesus, when he was crucified, we know that they stabbed Jesus on the side to see if he's dead or alive, but he actually fainted. Why? Because we know that no bones have been broken in the body of Jesus at all. But he could not, because really it was difficult on the cross. But we have to know one thing. If you crucify a person straight, his legs straight like this on the cross, it will take him time to die. But that's why they broke the knees of those two prisoners with them, the good thief and the other one. They broke it in order to let them die fast. There was a feast for the Jews, it's Sabbath day, they have to finish everything fast. So what they did, they broke the knees of those two prisoners. When your knees is like this, it means the circulation won't go. As much as he's going to lift up himself to breathe, it's going to be hard because he would be in pain. It's not only the cross that it will kill, but the weight of the body, it will go with tiredness, and it was afternoon when Jesus died on the cross. So that's why I told you about the Jerusalem cross. We have the 5 wounds of Jesus, the hands and the feet, and the staff Jesus on the side. This is the second level. Now we're going to go to the dungeon. It's a small room. If we gather all of us, if we are 50, 60 people, it's going to be hard for us to breathe. Imagine, no exit, only the upper part, the one that I showed you from the...
Arnold, is that the replica?
Yeah, replica.
Just replica.
Yes. So,
That's how they are taking and they're being tied. Okay. Okay. Go up.
listen guys. Down there, there's a lot of people. If you pass this area, you cannot breathe. It's too much. Me, I always tell my group to avoid those places. We don't want anybody to be affected with COVID or something. You can have a look at it and you can pass it. Unless if you want me to go down, it's okay. But just to be cautious. I'll just take one shot and then go back out.
Please take it.
Sure. I just pick and then just video. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
God bless you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you. Ano po? Oh, mama, may fern sila. Oh. Ito. Pareho kami ni Kuya ng ginagawa eh.
Yeah, do the setting now.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Ano po nangyari? Uy, ano yun? Swerte yun.
From there, and they took him up. What's going on? Why are you afraid?
Na, it pooped. Bird poop.
It's a gift.
It's
You
a
have
gift.
You have a gift.
Don't remove.
So they brought Jesus from the Garden of Gethsemane, and he walked these steps. These are original steps from the time of Jesus. So you can see the first picture there, how they tie Jesus with the rope and they take him up to the Caiaphas house where we are. Now Jesus, after his last supper from the top, he went down walking the same steps, and he crossed the Kidron Valley, and he went to the Garden of Gethsemane there. Look how much he walked. Tomorrow we're going to see the way that Jesus took while he was walking around. When they arrested him, they brought him to Caiaphas' house. From Caiaphas' house to Pontius Pilate, carried the cross, and he walked all the way to Calvary. So this is the thing I want to show you. Now here Peter, you see Peter, soldiers point out their finger on Jesus. They said, you've been with him. He said, no, I do not know this man. Okay? Now tomorrow we're going to explain more because it's going to be a month of Olive. We can see this side of it. But this one they're not talk a lot about the parts of origin. But at least when I point out this one, and the way of Jesus so much.
From the corner of this to this to this to this. Anong prutas to?
Alam, maiiwan yung magdadala ng matawa.
Uy, anong prutas yun? Parang kalamansi. Ay, ningal na yung nanay ko. Hi, ma'am. Andito na po.
Si Sienna. Maiwan si Ma'am Sienna.
Nandito po ako. Na-record ko po lahat. Hayaan nyo, ulitin nyo. Diyan ka lang. Hinihingal ka, diyan ka lang.
Okay na ako.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Okay?
Sige po, akit na po ang iba.
Dahil na.
Dahan.
Okay, matay na abutan lang ko. Sabi ko nga eh. Buti na may practice ako.
7 story daw kasi ang bahay niyo, Ma'am Sienna.
Char!
Wala daw elevator. So
May
wala
ganon.
talaga siya. Taas naman ang bahay niyo. Laki naman ang bahay niyo.
Ewan ko saan ba kayo yun. Hindi na niya pinuputahan
Ay,
yun.
hindi mo na pala pinupunta. Nakala ko practice.
Hindi niya pinapractice. Sa San Pedro po yun. Dati po yung ano, events place.
Ngayon, hindi na niya ginagamit.
Kasi nga busy nagkakasya. Sarado po yun.
Matagalan na sarado yun.
Isip ko kanina
Nung pandemic, sinara po namin.
Sino nandun?
Yung
Wala.
brother ko.
Dati pa pala yun.
Bahay ko. Nasa ngayon bahay ko.
Oo, pero hindi na kayo nakatira doon.
Hindi na ako doon.
Mahirap kasi ang staircase sa inyo. Bago din sa inyo.
Pag dumaan kayo ng alas kami, tumingin ko sa kapa.
Yun yun.
Bahay ko mga ganun.
Ay,
Parang handok.
ay, thank you.
Hinga lang.
Sige.
Hinga lang.
Sige lang. Pahinga. Hindi gumagana si dilator.
Hindi.
Gumagana. Okay. Tama. Importante to, di ba?
Importante.
Okay. Pero bagal lang, mami, ha? Kalma. Nagkikwento pa kasi, wag na magkwento nang nasisave yung ano,
Save yung energy.
yung breath niya.
Nire-recall ko diba? Natandaan ko sa video. Natandaan ko sabi niya. Pagdating ng huli, binasa ang ibang head. Naku, makatandaan mo na. Nung inano ni Caiphas, masabi nakapunta ako doon. Kung saan hinulog si Jesus. Iiyak ka na sa huli. So may imagine mo na yung lugar. Mula kay Caiphas, ano ang nilakaran niya. Diba nakita rin na? Nakita mo original kanina na nilakarapan ni Jesus. Kaya nga hinarangan na nila para hindi
Tapak-tapakan.
Lagos. بتطلع فيه باستغراب.
Mabawal kung imagine na yun. Yun doon ang parang trial ni Jesus yung lugar na yun.
Ah.
Bahay ni Caiphas. Bahay ni Caiphas. Doon siya binigyan ng trial. Kasi doon siya kinulong eh.
Mm.
Oo.
Doon din siya dininay.
Doon siya nakakuha. Kaya kumbaga, yung bahay na yun, lahat-lahat na. Siya nagpakulong kay Jesus.
Si Caiphas. Ah.
Siya nagpahuli.
Tapos si Peter, sabi naman niya,
Hindi nila nipito siya kasi sa lugar na yun.
sabi niya, ikaw ang ano eh, kasama.
Kasama kayo. Hindi yan kilala. 3 times. Kaya nagparang manok. Sinabi niya yun, ang lulibinay ni 3 times. Nung tumilaw kang manok, sa kanya naalala sinabi niya. Napuntahan na natin kung saan yung kwan sa silver. Yung kwan, binenta naman siya ni kwan, ni Judas.
Binenta siya ni Judas.
Oo, yung 30 silver.
Miss May, pupuntahan daw ba natin yun?
Hindi, nakasaysayan niya na hindi natin nakita. Tinuro lang kanina yan. Itinuturo sila doon na nilang lugar. Kung saan daw si Judas nagbenta kay Jesus. Baka buto sila mapapagod.
Miss May, nakita mo daw ba yung lugar kung saan binenta ni Judas?
Kanina
Si
tinuro, no?
Jesus?
O yun yung 30 silvers yung kay Judas
Si
Iscariote.
Judas naman daw.
Ano
Binenta
yung
naman din siya.
Binenta? Binenta si Jesus. Saan yung kanina? Tinuturo
Hindi. Bukas pupunta po tayo doon.
Ah, bukas pa daw, mami.
Sabi ko,